Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something a little bit different. The surprising connection between painting and cooking. Think about it. Both activities involve starting with a vision. A recipe, if you will. In sketching, that recipe would be the process of drawing from big shapes to smaller shapes, laying down watercolor using a certain color scheme and etc. Right? In cooking, it's the dish you're aiming to create, the ingredients you need, and the steps to follow. But just understanding the recipe isn't enough. Executing it well is where the magic happens. And here's the beautiful thing. Everyone will interpret that recipe slightly differently. Just like the same dish can taste different depending on who cooks it, the same painting can look completely different depending on the artist touched. That should be the way too, as we should have our artistic voice in all our sketches. That's what makes us unique. Of course, the quality of your ingredients play a huge role in both endeavors. Watercolor sketching is a prime example. The quality of your paints and paper will dramatically impact the outcome. Just like using fresh, high-quality ingredients elevates a dish, using good quality art supplies allows your creative vision to shine through. There's also this idea of freshness. In cooking, fresh ingredients create vibrant flavors and textures. Similarly, in watercolor sketching, the way you lay down your paint impacts the outcome. Overworking a puddle is like using wilting vegetables. It just doesn't achieve the same effect. Here's the key takeaway. Instead of obsessing over the outcome of your sketch, focus on the process itself. Just like practicing a recipe makes you a better cook, practicing your painting recipe will make you a better artist. Learn to appreciate each step, from choosing the right ingredients to mastering your brushstroke. Think of your sketches as culinary experiments. You might not always get it right, but every attempt is a learning experience. Just like a delicious meal, a successful sketch is a result of careful planning, quality ingredients, and a dash of creativity. So, the next time you pick up your brush, remember, you're not just sketching, you're testing the recipe, one delicious brushstroke at a time. It's a lot of fun, experimenting as well. So, until next time, happy sketching!